Mga besh, we are here in the barn. we do grilling, and Patrick and Andre are watering the plants. We are in the garden. They're getting water from there so they can water the plants.
Nothing comes out.
No water comes out?
No, it's so fun.
Okay, I'll try. He's installing the grill. He will do the grilling station. Daddy, Besh.
What's up?
Hi, Besh. We are in the garden, mga Besh. Come talk to the Beshes. Today, this weekend will be a long weekend because in Monday we have a things. What is on Monday? The things Monday.
Yeah, it's Monday.
Yeah, it's holiday here, so everything is closed. And yeah, I don't know in the Philippines if you have holiday on Monday, but I know it's still ECQ or GCQ unsa nang naadiha karon. Here too, grabing init mga besh. Nangabo sila sa ilang tubig, kaya mangbusbus sila sa ilang mga gemuse.
There unten in the basement.
Og init kayo besh.
Is there water?
You're so nice.
Wait, mach du jetzt.
Sige na, pag ano na diha, pag pangabog tubig dong. Kabalo ka dong. You know the name of that in the Philippines? Di. You know what is it in the Philippines, Di?
What is it?
It's bumba. Say bumba.
Bomba.
Bumbalu. Say bumbalu. You know the name of Pat, you know the name of that in the Philippines? It's bumba. Say bumba. Pati.
Huh?
Say bumba.
Bomba.
Bumbalu.
Papaya. I'm becoming wet.
Ngabog tubig, wala na tayo inomon.